sometimes when we write code, we get error in that. In fact, no, not sometimes, but we get error accidentally. Okay, whenever a programmer makes a mistake, and sometimes the mistake can be made by a server. Let's suppose we purchase some record from server, and those records were unable to load because of server error. Okay. In this case, the Python program can be terminated if we don't want our program to stop because of some error. Okay. That's why we do error handling in our Python program. Okay, and to do error handling, we use try except code. This video will explain how easy is try except and explanation handling. Let's move to the computer skill and learn how can we do error handling in Python programming language. So now, let's get started.
So in today's class, we're learning about the exception handling in Python. So now let's learn. So exception handling is the process of responding of unwanted or unexpected event when a computer program runs. Exception handling deals with these events to avoid the program or system crashing, and without this process, exception will disrupt the normal operation of a program. It's called the exception handling. Okay, so now we learn how expansion in Python. Python has many built-in expansions that are great when your program encounters an error, something in the program goes wrong. When the exception occurs, the Python interpreter stops the current process and passes it to a calling process until it is not handled, the program will crash. Okay. So like I will do here, I will be give you one example. Like I will be go to the here, and now I will be erasing. And here I will be give you one example. I will be not comment it out, and here and I will be alt press, and here I will go and alt. Here I will be alt, and here I will be erase. Okay, and now we will be write like till here my work is done, and I will be erase it like that. Okay, here I will be erase it like that, and here I will go, and here I will select it, and here I will erase it. And now like I will be till here my work is done, and now I will do what we can do. It will giving the unaffected indent, and here I will go, and here I will erase it. And now till here my work is done and unaffected indent, and what we can do. Okay, so now like I have till here my work is done, and what we can do here, I will be erase it. Like I have erased it. And now till here my work is done. So now let's we learn about the, and here I will be like run it. So now let's see that the enter an integer. Like I will be write like my integer should be 5. Okay, and here I will be add my integer should be 5 and enter. Index should be error. Why do we giving the error? Because the integer should be 6 to 3. 6 to 3, not 5. Like I will be go. Here I will give like 3. So index should be error. So like I will be go, and here I will be write like 10. Index should be error. So it will giving the error. Number enter is not an integer except value error. So it is very easy to know what are integer or what are okay. And here you will see it. And you will be give like big number, any number, and 52 index will be error. So now let's learn what the Python try except. Try except block are used in Python to handle errors and exception. The code in try blocks run when there is no error, and means there are no error in your code, so it will be not no show the error. If the try block catches the error. If the block catch the error, then the expect block is execute. Okay. And here I will give you one example also, like I will be copied and I will be pasted like that example. And now, like it is giving the, here it is the error, here it is the error. It will be giving the error. Okay, so it is very easy. And here I will give you one example, like I will be copied and I will be pasted. And I will be give you one example. So now let's see. Here I will be go. And here it will go, he will be saying enter the integer, and I will be write like 2 2, and here the output will become 1 1. Number entered is not an integer. Here we see it is easy, and like I will be write like the integer should be 5. Integer should be 5. So it is not giving the error. Why it is not giving the error? Because the 5 is 5, it is an integer, so it will not giving the. If you write like 6.022, so it will give the number entered is not an integer. It will be catch it. Okay, it will catch the error. Okay, like I will write like 6.022, so it is not an integer, so it will catch the error. The Python try except should be catch the error. Like here it is like the, here it is like the, if the try block catches the error, then the expect block is execute. Okay, and then it will not catch the error, it will not execute. Okay, so it will be very easy to know what are exception handling in Python. And I hope you enjoy this class. Like the video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you in next class and next video. Amazing class. So for today, and now, no, first of all, I will be telling you one thing also. You will be follow on my Facebook page. My Facebook page name should be Mirza Ryan Beg, and my Facebook should be Ryan Beg, and my Instagram should be like Ryan Beg 1243, and my Twitter should be also Ryan Beg 124, Mirza Ryan Beg, and go and follow that my page. Okay. So now I will meet you in next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.
Te preocupação, ele te bota, saca, 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 sem ele ter preocupação, ele te bota.